Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video ay magsasagot po tayo ng 5-item questions with regard to linear equations. So without any further ado, simulan po natin sa ating number 1. We have 2 times the quantity 3x minus 4 equal to 4 times the quantity x plus 1 minus 2. So ano po yung sagot natin dito? You may pause the video if you'd like to answer. Okay, so now ang gagawin po muna natin is to simply distribute 2 dito kay 3x and dito din kay negative 4. So it means we have 2 times 3x, that is simply 6x. Next, we have 2 times negative 4 and that is simply negative 8. Copy the equal sign. So we have 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times positive 1, that is positive 4, then copy negative 2. So now we can combine like terms. So ang i-combine po muna natin is itong si 6x at saka 4x. So we have to simply subtract 4x both sides. So minus 4x minus 4x. So of course, this will become 0. 6x minus 4x, that is simply 2x. Copy yung negative 8. Equal to 4 minus 2, and that is simply equal to 2. Now, we have to combine negative 8 and positive 2. So, let's add 8 both sides. So, plus 8 plus 8. At para maging 0 na ito. So, ang natira na lang dito is yung 2x equal to 2 plus 8, that is 10. And to solve for the value of x, simply divide 2 both sides. So, divided by 2 divided by 2. So simply this is 1. So our x is equal to 5. And this is our final answer. So next we have number 2. 2x plus 3 over 5 equal to x minus 1 over 2. Feel free to pause the video. So ngayon, pwede po natin itong sagutan through LCD or yung least common denominator. So ang LCD ni 5 and 2, no, itong LCD nila is simply 10. So unahin po muna natin yung isang solution or yung first solution natin, which is to cross multiply. So para ma-cross multiply po natin, of course, ito yung i-multiply natin. 2x plus 3 times 2 at saka yung 5 times x minus 1. Alright? So now, unahin po muna natin itong part na ito. So we have 2 times 2x plus 3 equal to 5 times x minus 1. So we have 5 times x minus 1. So now, distribute lang po natin ito. So we have 2 times 2x, that is 4x. 2 times 3, that is simply 6, equal to 5 times x, that is 5x. Then 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. So now, combine like terms lang po natin. So alam natin na yung 5x is greater than 4x. So yung mas maliit ang ilipat natin. Kumbaga itong si 4x. So it means mag-subtract lang tayo ng 4x both sides. So kapag nag-subtract na po tayo, magiging 0 na ito. Kasi nga positive 4x minus 4x, that is 0. So 6 na lang natira dito. So equal to x. Kasi nga 5x minus 4x, that is simply x na lang. Kasi nga 1x yan. So considered na merong 1 na dyan. So hindi na natin kailangang isulat. So minus 5. Copy lang po natin itong si minus 5 or negative 5. Now, para makombine pa po natin yung 6 and negative 5, mag-add naman tayo ng 5 both sides para maging 0 na ito. So add tayo dito ng 5. So this is x equal to 11. Therefore, this is our final answer, which is our x is simply 11. Alright, so now, itry naman po nating sagutan ito by LCD or yung tinatawag nating least common denominator. So alam natin na ang LCD ni 5 and 2 is simply 10. So it means 10 yung ipang multiply natin to both sides. So we have to multiply this quantity by 10 and we have to multiply this by 10. So we have 10 times 2x plus 3 divided by 5. So pwede rin namang idiretso na natin. 10 divided by 5 and that is simply 2. At yun yung i-multiply natin dito. So again, we have 10 divided by 5, that is simply 2, then times this term. Or i-multiply natin sa term na ito. So now we have 10 divided by 5, that is simply 2. 2 times this, so we have 2 times 2x plus 3. Copy yung equal sign. So we have 10 divided by 2 and that is simply 5 times x minus 1. So we have 5 times x minus 1. So we have to distribute 2 times 2x and 2 times 3. So this is 4x plus 6 equal to 5x minus 5. Combine like terms, so we have to subtract 4x both sides. So this is already 0. So we have 6 equal to x minus 5. So we have to combine 6 and negative 5. So add 5 tayo both sides para maging 0 ito. So our x is simply equal to 11. So this is our answer. Diba same lang siya kanina sa first solution natin. Yung nag-cross multiply lang tayo. Kung mas madali sa inyo yung cross multiplication, yun yung gagawin ninyo. Kasi kung ano yung pinakamabilis na paraan. Alright, so now let's proceed with our number 3. So we have x minus 1 half equal to 3x plus 3 over 4. So now alam po natin na pwede natin gawin yung cross multiplication, pwede rin naman yung tinatawag na LCD. So unahin na lang po muna natin yung cross multiplication. So alam natin na itong quantity na ito ay meron yang over 1. Diba? So kumbaga parang ganito po yan. X minus 1 half over 1 equal to 3x plus 3 over 4. So ang gagawin po natin, cross multiplication. So i-multiply natin ito at saka ito. Okay, so unahin muna natin itong part na ito. So x minus 1 half times 4. So we have 4 times x minus 1 half equal to 1 times 3x plus 3. So that is simply itself 3x plus 3. Now let's distribute 4. So 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times negative 1 half, that is simply 4 times 1, that is 4, divided by 2, that is 2. So minus 2 equal to 3x plus 3. Now let's combine like terms. We have to subtract, di ba mas mataas yung 4x kaysa kay 3x. So again, yung mas maliit na number yung isubtract natin both sides. So it means ang mangyayari ngayon is mag-subtract tayo ng 3x both sides. So of course, magiging 0 na ito. So lipat natin dito. So we have 4x minus 3x and that is simply x na lang. Minus 2 equal to 3. Now add lang natin ng 2 both sides. So plus 2 and plus 2. So this is 0. Our x is simply equal to 5. So this is our answer. Alright, so we have number 4. We have x plus 4 over 3 plus x minus 2 over 5 which is equal to 6. So pwede natin gamitin yung LCD, no? Least common denominator. So ang LCD, we have 1 here, no? Meron siyang denominator na 1. So ang LCD ni 3, 5, and 1 is simply 15. So by the way, kung hindi nyo pa po napanood yung video natin kung paano kunin yung LCD, you can browse na lang po sa ating video list. So now let's answer this. So yung 15 na LCD, yun yung ipang multiply natin to both sides. So we have times 15, dito rin sa kabila times 15. So para mas mabilis tayo, 15 divided by 3 and that is equal to 5, then times x plus 4. Again, 15 divided by 3, that is 5 times x plus 4. Plus 15 divided by 5, that is 3 times x minus 2. So we have 3 times x minus 2. Then copy the equal sign, 15 times 6, and that is simply equal to 90. Now let's distribute 5 kay x at dito kay 4. So 5 times x, that is 5x. 5 times 4, that is 20. Then plus 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6, equal to 90. So combine like terms. So we have 5x plus 3x, that is simply 8x. We have 20 minus 6, that is positive 14, equal to 90. Now we have to subtract 14 both sides. Now we have minus 14 minus 14. So of course, this is already 0. So we have 8x equal to 76. Then, to solve for the value of x, magdi-divide lang tayo. So lipat muna natin dito. Sulat muna natin. So to solve for the value of x, divide 8 both sides. So divided by 8, divided by 8, this is already 1. So our x is simply equal to what? Is 76 divisible by 8? So hindi siya divisible, merong remainder. So ano yung sagot natin? Alam natin na yung ating numerator and denominator are divisible by 4. So it means divided by 4, divided by 4. 76 divided by 4, that is simply 19. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So it's 19 over 2, or x is equal to 9.5. Kasi nga 19 divided by 2, that is 9.5, or 9 and 1 half. Alright? So this is our final answer. And lastly, we have number 5. X minus 2 over 3 plus 2x plus 1 over 6 equal to x plus 4 over 2. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to answer. Again, pwede nating sagutan ito using LCD or least common denominator. So ang LCD ni 3, 6, and 2 is simply 6. So yun yung ipang-multiply natin. No? Ipang-multiply natin dito si 6 at ipang-multiply naman natin dito si 6. So para mas mabilis tayo, pwede naman nating i-multiply yung 6 dito tapos divided by 3. Pero para mabilis tayo, ganito na lang. 6 divided by 3, that is simply 2 times x minus 2. So we have 2 times x minus 2. Copy natin yung plus. Ito, kinopya lang natin. Next, we have 6 divided by 6, that is 1 times 2x plus 1. So ang sagot lang dyan is simply 2x plus 1. Copy natin itong equal na symbol. So equal. Next, we have 6 divided by 2, and that is 3, no? 3 times x plus 4. So 3 times x plus 4. Now, let's distribute 2 kay x at dito naman kay negative 2. So it means we have 2 times x, that is simply 2x. 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4, plus 2x plus 1. Equal to 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times positive 4, that is positive 12. Now, combine like terms. So we have 2x plus 2x, that is simply 4x. Then negative 4 plus 1, that is simply negative 3, equal to 3x plus 12. So combine like terms. So we have to subtract 3x both sides. So this is already 0. So we have x minus 3 equal to 12. To solve for the value of x, mag-add lang tayo ng 3 both sides para maging 0 na ito. So 12 plus 3, our x is simply 15. And this is our final answer.